Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be decorating my lantern for Easter. So for this Easter lantern, you're going to need a lantern, and mine opens from the top, but I think it would be cute if you have one that has the side door and you could just leave the door open and maybe have the Easter eggs spilling out of it. So you're going to need one lantern. You're going to need a bunny. And I picked this bunny up at Five Below for $3, and it's flocked. And they also had it in blue and orange. You're going to need some Easter grass, and this also came from Five Below. And you're going to need some plastic Easter eggs. And then we're also going to be adding a bow to our lantern, so you'll need some ribbon. So give me just a second. Oh, almost forgot. And you're going to need some LED battery lights for this lantern too. So give me just a second and we'll get started. First, I'm going to add some Easter grass. I think that's probably enough. Okay, and then next, I am going to be adding my little bunny. So this is a very simple DIY. So you're just going to kind of push your bunny into place and remove the price tag. After you've added your little bunny, now it's time to add some Easter eggs. So I'm just going to place the little Easter eggs around the bunny. And these are just plastic Easter eggs from Dollar Tree or Walmart. And I know you cannot see the LED battery powered lights very good during the daytime, but these look really pretty at night, and I picked these lights up at Walmart. I am going to try to place the little lights just around the bunny and kind of down into the grass. I just want it to light up during the nighttime. Then since mine closes from the top, my battery powered box is going to have to be at the back. So I'm going to kind of play around with it to see if that's going to work when I close it. So this is how it looks so far. And it's the middle of the day, so I know you can't see it very well. And then now I'm going to tie a bow and add it to the top of the lantern. Okay, first you're going to let out a tail. You're going to make your first loop, and this ribbon came from Dollar Tree. Then you're going to make another loop on the other side about the same size. I'm going to do a double bow. So try to make your loops about the same size on each side. Then let out a tail. And then I have this little pink and white gingham check ribbon. I just have the one little strip, but I hate to waste ribbon, so I'm going to add it in also. And then now I'm going to take a piece of floral stem wire and just wrap it tightly around the center of my bow. I'm going to dovetail the ends of the ribbon, so you're going to take your ribbon, fold it in half with your edges going to the left side, go to your fold, and you're going to cut away from your fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Okay, now I'm just going to fluff the loops on my bow. Okay, next I'm going to use the wires, and I'm just going to add my bow to the top of my lantern and give it a few twists, and then I'm also going to hot glue a carrot to the center of my bow. The carrot that I'm adding to the center of the bow came from Dollar Tree, and I believe it comes in a 3-pack. So this is how it looks. I think it's really cute with just adding some Easter grass, a few eggs, and a little bunny to the center of your lantern. And then you know I always like to add a bow to most everything I make. And so now I'm just carefully hot gluing the carrot onto the center of the bow. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And that's it, guys. It's finished. You do not have to add the LED battery-powered lights unless you want to. I like to have lights on at night. I love LED candles on and the little string lights all over my house because I just don't like it to be dark. So I usually turn them on when it gets dark outside. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. It didn't take long at all to make and very inexpensive, so just use whatever you have at home. Do not go out and purchase anything. Just throw together whatever you can because I want everybody to be safe and stay at home. So I hope you're feeling good, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share.